Hey guys, this is Chin. So right now I have MacBook Pro 2012 mid 2012, and then here is the MacBook Pro 13-inch Retina display. So right now for this one, right, the previous one, like the thick one, the heavy one, and especially the model with the battery indicator, and this is the old MacBook Pro. We could just really say that it's a traditional MacBook Pro, but that's not really that old yet, because what I'm going to say, it is old but go. Okay, my customer asked me to do some modification on this MacBook Pro, and he asked me to upgrade the RAM, to add the RAM, and then he also asked me to change the ordinary 500 GB HDD to SSD. So I did, and right now what I'm going to show you guys is actually how it performs. So right now it's running on Mac OS Sierra, yeah, the latest one, and then it's running on 10 GB RAM. So you guys might ask me, hey, why 10 GB RAM? Because I tried to add one 8 GB DDR3 inside, and then instead of replacing both of them, I used one of the original Apple RAM. Yeah, I know Apple doesn't create their own RAM, right? So I use the default RAM, 2 GB at the bottom there, the bottom slot, and then I add one more 8 GB RAM on top of that. So, and then I also changed the 500 GB HDD to SSD, and then 120 GB SSD. So guys, let's see. So now, what you guys might know, right? After I changed the SSD, a lot of people might think that, hey, how's about warranty? And hey guys, this is the device that actually allow you guys to change it, and then maybe if you upgrade the RAM and you change the hard disk, right, you won't void the warranty. So guys, it's like this up. Don't really have to worry about that, because you guys can't really do some modification on the optical drive, because if you change it to maybe a HDD instead of using the disk drive, and then it might really void the warranty. So guys, have a look. Now I just want to turn it on. Okay, let's see how it boot. Okay, few seconds. Ooh. So I'm just wondering how actually is the speed on my MacBook Pro Retina display. So now just wait for it. Okay, now, alright, so now password. Yeah, I'm inside. Okay, now OS X Sierra. About this Mac, it is currently running my OS Sierra, like what I said, 255 GHz Intel Core i5, 10 GB RAM, and then this is the specs, so I don't really have to show it all. And about storage, right? Now 120 GB, and then what I'm going to show here is the disk utility, and then it's currently running on Kimax SSD 120 GB. Alright, now guys, this is some little benchmark like usually what I would do in my Apple Store. Okay, now I try to turn on everything. Open here. This one as well. Open everything as much as I could, and then even the settings, and then maybe application launcher. I'll try to run. Oh, I haven't, and I forgot to install something else like the pages number or keynotes, but that's fine. So right now everything was launched, right, like what you guys could see. All right, F3. Wow, actually it's like amazing, because it's quite cool. There's not even a single lagging, and I'm pretty sure this is the performance that you guys can't really get on normal HDD. So basically what I'm trying to tell right now is, after doing this stuff modification, right, you guys might feel satisfied, because actually the performance is quite cool. So guys, I did it. Nice, right? Okay, now if really you guys interested, right, you can just really contact me and follow me. Is that bye.